All right, hit record. All right. Hi, Mike. We have Mike with us today, and we just closed on his property. And Mike, thank you for agreeing to meet with me on Zoom. I'm just going to ask you a few questions. First question, what made you decide to sell the property, and how did you find us?
I had to sell my property due to me not working for the last 18 months, and I was about to get ready to get foreclosure on my house. And I was just looking through Google and just where I can find the sell houses and everything in that. And I came up with your guys' name on the house. So I give it a try and see what happens.
All right, excellent. And what was your experience working with our company, Sell House Columbus?
It was actually a great experience with you guys. You guys are always there answering all the questions I had, sending everybody out just to take a look at what I had to show and everything. And if I had any questions from you, you'll get back in a very responsive time to answer everything I had to do with.
Mhm.
And if there was anything that I needed, you always made sure to give me the answers, everything I needed for everything.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you. Thank you for the compliment. And last question, Mike. What would you say to homeowners out there who's looking to sell their property for cash quickly?
I would say I would suggest your company to deal with it. It's a very easy process. There's not very much work to be involved. If you got any questions about what offers they offers to you, just reach out to them. Be happy with what they'll give you a good fair price for everything. And the process is very easy, and it took me less than 5 minutes just to get a request back from you after I give you all the pictures and everything you guys were requesting.
All right. And yeah, I could not agree with you more, sir. That has been our commitment to make everything super easy for each and every seller that we come across. And yeah, 5 minutes, right? We're gonna go ahead and reach out to sellers as quickly as we can. And again, thank you, Mike. It was a pleasure, right, working with you. All
No
right.
problem.
And again, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. If you are looking to sell your house for cash quickly, call us at 614-300-5151 or find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. Thanks and see you.